Okay, so guys, if on your Windows 11 your internet is not working, then what you can do is you can just follow basic steps to fix it. But first of all, you have to know if there is literally the problem of the Windows. What you can do is you can just grab your mobile and see if your Wi-Fi is working there. If your Wi-Fi is working on all of your devices but it is not working on your PC, then it might be the problem that we need to fix. But if your Wi-Fi has a problem, then yeah guys, you can't do anything on your PC to fix that. So yeah, let's start with the basics. So if your internet is not working, then go to network and internet settings. Then what you can do is go to Ethernet. If you're using any kind of Ethernet connection, then click on edit and make sure the IP setting is automatic DHCP and also the DNS server is also automatic DHCP. First of all, see these settings. This setting is very important, automatic. Then the other thing you have to do is just open the network and internet settings again. Then you can just go to advanced network settings. When you go to advanced network settings, then go to advanced sharing settings and make sure these are off. Go back, then go to the connection right now you have. So first of all, if you're using the Wi-Fi, right now I'm using the internet, which is the Ethernet of this guys. This is my main Ethernet connection which I'm using. If my Ethernet is not working, then what I can do is I can just disable it and enable it again. I'm not going to do that because I am on a remote PC. If I go to this, if I disable this, then I'll lose the connection. That's why I'm not doing that. But you can do that. I'll basically show you with the Wi-Fi thing. Just disable it. When you disable it, it will get disabled. And now when it get disabled, you can just enable it again to re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter. It might fix your problem guys. You have to do the same thing with the connection guys you're already currently using right now. If you're on Ethernet, you have to try disabling it. If you're on Wi-Fi, you have to try disabling it. Or if you're using any kind of other connection, you have to just disable and enable it again. But still, if it is not working, then what you can do is go to network reset and reset the network settings by clicking on reset now. Then you click on yes, it will reset your network settings and it will help you if your settings are malfunctioned guys. But if after doing that it is still not working, then what you can do is go to this PC properties, then go to device manager. When you go to device manager, then we have to go to the network adapters guys, and by going to network adapters you can just click on scan for hardware changes. It will get scanned guys, and if you see any kind of bad driver or bad thing here, you can just update the driver of it and search automatically for drivers. It will update the driver of it. Right now it's all working, but if the device is not working, then what you will see is a triangle little sign which is the yellow in color, and you'll see the yellow triangle sign which is the warning sign. You can just update that driver to make it work again. But if after doing all that still your PC is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, then you can just comment down below guys. I'll try to fix your problem by replying to your comment guys. Thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.